This is a video about writing with Adinkra alphabets. My name is Charles Crunchy. This is the first in the series, and we will be writing with Adinkra alphabet A or Adinkrahene. With me is a copy of our books. Our first book is Adinkra alphabet, the Adinkra symbols as alphabets and their hidden meanings. And this is the second edition of our book, Adinkra alphabet. And the book we'll be discussing today is my first Adinkra alphabet writing book. All the books are available on our website, www.adinkrahene.com, and also on Amazon. So, ways that you can write with Adinkra alphabet. If you have a computer and with Microsoft Word on it, you can go to our website www.adinkrahene.com and go to Adinkrahene font section, and you can download the font and install it. And in Microsoft Word, if you change your font to it, you will be writing with Adinkra alphabets. This book, my first Adinkra alphabet writing book, was made with children in mind, and in writing with it, you can just trace out the characters as so. And there are also spaces that you can write the characters in. Or another way to write with it will be to get a copy of the complete Adinkra alphabet. This is available on our website, on Facebook, on Pinterest, on Twitter, and also on Instagram. And or you can get a laminated version of it from our website. You can order a laminated version of it. If you have a sheet of paper and an ink, you can just write out the characters. So you have the alphabet A, that's all. Again, and once again, and we can use it in a word such as Adinkra. So we'll have A, and we can make the first A bigger or artistically design it as we want, as there are no capital or small letters in the Adinkra alphabet. Our second character is D, and we have I and N, K, R, and another A. We can also use it to write Aquaba. We have A, K, W, another A, a B, and then another A. So that is writing with Adinkra alphabet A, or Adinkrahene, which literally means a chief of Adinkra alphabets. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also share. Please follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram. And don't forget to order a copy of the book, or actually of our books, on our website www.adinkrahene.com, and also on Amazon. Thank you.